Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is DNS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in DNS and domain name system, you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, domain name system DNS is the phone book of the internet. Humans access information online through domain names like for example espn.com, hotmail.com, gmail.com, and web browsers interact through internet protocol addresses or IP addresses. DNS translate domain names to IP addresses so browsers can load internet resources. Each device connected to the internet has a unique IP address which other machines use to find the device. DNS servers eliminate the need for humans to memorize IP address, such as for example 192.168.1.1 in IPv4 or more complex formats as well. The process of DNS resolution involves converting a host name such as www.example.com into a computer friendly IP address such as 192.168.11. An IP address is given to each device on the internet, and that address is necessary to find the appropriate internet device. Like a street address is used to find a particular home. When a user wants to load a web page, a translation must occur between what is a user type into their web browser, for example example.com, and the machine friendly address necessary to locate the example.com web page. In order to understand the process behind the DNS resolution, it's important to learn about different hardware components a DNS query must pass between. For the web browser, the DNS lookup occurs behind the scenes and requires no interaction from the user's computer apart from the initial request. There are different types. There are mainly four types of DNS. DNS recursor. DNS recursor can be thought of as a librarian who is asked to go find a particular book somewhere in a library. The DNS recursor is a server designed to receive queries from client machines through applications such as web browser. Typically, the recursor is then responsible for making additional requests in order to satisfy the client DNS query. Then root name server. The root server is the first step in resolving human readable host names into IP addresses. It can be thought of like an index in a library that points to different racks of books. Typically, it serves as a reference to other more specific locations. TLD name server. The top level domain server TLD can be thought of as a specific rack of books in a library. This name server is the next step in the search of a specific IP address, and it hosts the last portion of a host name. Then authoritative name server. This final name server can be thought of as a dictionary on a rack of books, in which a specific name can be translated into definitions. The authoritative name server is the last stop in the name server query. If the authoritative name server has access to the requested record, it will return the IP address for the requested hostname back to the DNS recursor, the librarian that made the initial request. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.